Best Standing Wooden Podium Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular standing podiums in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this wooden lectern so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this wooden podium. The one that made our list is the Flash Furniture Stand-Up Wood Lectern. This podium features a slanted top with ledge that will prevent papers and books from sliding. The pencil groove will keep writing utensils at hand, and the adjustable shelves allow for easy storage for lecture material, personal bags and more. This is the ideal choice for conference rooms, meeting halls, congregations and classrooms. And this high quality commercial grade podium is designed for extended durability. It measures 45.75 by 23 by 15 inches. You can choose from either mahogany or oak laminate finish. To check out the full specs of the Flash Furniture Stand-Up Wood Lectern and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/woodenpodium. Here's a quick video of this lectern. So there you have it, the Flash Furniture Stand-Up Wood Lectern. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this podium, and its overall functionality, we feel that this wood podium is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Flash Furniture Stand-Up Wood Lectern and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/woodenpodium. Alright, thank you for watching.